Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C21Y. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay app. And as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add payment method or add different types of cards. If you tap here, you got access to all your payment methods, participating banks, your full activity, settings where you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and edit account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, help and support, send feedback, and access to your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.